Today I wan show you na Amuse. Na wetin me I dey use dey put my song for all platform. You know see how many countries dey stream my song. Some people go dey Nigeria like this, they go just wey be upcoming artist. Na just to put song for audio mark dey tell person make you rate am, make you rate am. Why you no fit put am for everywhere make you dey do con ten t, small small con ten t for am, maybe the thing go blow up. Dat kind thing. See wetin I don do, I've been posting like for 3 months consis ten tly guy non-stop. I already made $5 for my music, and it's not like this thing, not all the music that $5 na just the album wey I just release 7 days ago. Na wetin I make, but posting by my own self. See my Spotify for artists. For here I dey see everybody wey dey stream my song. I dey see how many streams I dey get. I dey see people wey dey stream am. I dey control everything for here. So if you be upcoming artist and you no get your song for all platform, wetin you dey do? You dey waste time o. But anyhow before I be wan gatekeep this video, but I do am now. I dey do this video now because say I know say some people go need help. So if you be upcoming artist, I get beginners guide wey go show you everything, how to do it guide, how to put your song out. If you dey use BandLab, dey do me, because me I mostly use BandLab. Na once I dey go studio. See my audio mark. Na that Amuse I dey use dey put my song for everywhere. I dey control my song for audio mark. In some days, just some days, see how many streams I don make. So you wey be upcoming artist, if you wan run your song make e dey everywhere. Make you no go dey do say I be artist. Na only freestyle you dey do. Dey only do freestyle, dey do song, kpokpo song. You go come do am plenty, come pack am put for audio mark. Na wetin dey make audio mark no sweet again na. And una dey spoil audio mark for person. Person no fit go audio mark search for song normally. You go dey see one kind nigga wey be say na only audio mark him be. If you wan be artist, try dey think like all these artists. Nobody dey come save you. No dey reason say person go come sign me, you go do all this work. No, do am by yourself. You be artist, do am by yourself. See my audio mark now, clean. E too fresh. I dey use here dey see how many people dey follow me. Just some days ago, back to back following, they dey follow me gone. My YouTube sef, if you see the YouTube, my profile don dey verified. Everything don dey verified. They don give me artist badge. I claim am with Amuse. So if you wan do your own the same thing, just say I'm interested in the comment section. If you no fit do that one, fit just click the link on my bio. No be click but visit the link. If you no fit visit the link, send me DM. I will send you the link to get the beginners guide. It go show you how to do all these things, how to make your first music on BandLab. It go show you how to upload your song on all platform, like the way my own be like this. You go dey control everything. So once you dey make your own small con ten t, dey post about your music, dey sing, people go fit dey check am out. They go check am any platform wey they dey use. I dey Boomplay, I dey Apple Music, but I no fit open am now because this phone wey I dey use, e just get RCB sha. Na Android, so e no go far. But bro, na so me I dey run am o. My YouTube dey clean as fuck, bro. No be say this thing. I no too dey get views sha, but once I post song, people wey be say if I tell them how far go check am out, they go check am out. They go know say yes. So you sef, if you wan gbadu my music, cause my music sef no bad. I dey try, you get. I be working boy. I dey always try do something. I no just dey relent, dey sit down, dey wait for say make person come sign me. I don get my brand, fully branded, all by myself. I did it by myself, everything. So if you want to your own the same thing, just comment I'm interested on the comment section or DM me. I go help you run am, and hopefully I fit allow you join my private group. That my private group like this, na there upcoming artists dey. If you dey find producer wey dey collect 5k per session, anything wey be say this thing for Lagos sha, if you pull up, get music coaching assistant, go help you create mad songs. See how many plays I dey get for audio mark, e no small. So you sef, you fit do the same. Na me you don know, just relent, lock in this year, cause you no fit dey wait say one label go come sign you, cause you know how many people don promise me say they go sign me. They plenty like mad. They plenty like say kini. They don promise say guy you good, you go sign, I go like sign you this one that one. None of them show face. See my music wey dey take down, none of them show face, none of them do anything. Till tomorrow or on God, me I no dey look them. As I go do my shit, I go do am. Anybody wey like am go search am out, abi make go chop am anyhow.